Now folks, here's another beautiful 1/5 of a carat natural Canary diamond, Marquise cut. Quality in the eye range. Beautiful diamond, full of fire, full of grace, whatever you want to say, it's beautiful. My price, 99 bucks. 1/5 of a carat for $99, folks. That's below my wholesale replacement cost. Would look wonderful in a ring or a necklace. Or you can buy it with the other one I listed and put it in a pair of earrings. Beautiful diamonds, 1/5 of a carat for $99. Any questions, give me a call, email me, and remember, I'm Google verified so you can buy with confidence. Thank you all for your business and trust.